My name is Reza Ardehali. I am a physician scientist at UCLA. I've been at UCLA for the past 3 years. I have an active laboratory doing translational research to discover new therapies for heart disease. The damaged tissue that is there after a major heart attack affects millions of people in this country, and they are not capable of carrying their normal life. We try to make incremental improvements. The big picture is for us to contribute to the scientific work that ultimately has the goal of treating heart disease. Originally, I'm from Iran. I was born and raised in Iran, but I grew up in Northern California, followed by my travels for education throughout the country. Well, I'm a scientist because I'm interested in new discoveries to advance the health care of patients with cardiovascular disease. Heart disease is the #1 leading cause of death in this country. We need new and novel therapies to help people who have been afflicted by this disease. My mother's side of the family, they had heart disease, and from the very beginning I was interested in heart disease because of the fact that it ran in the family. Our laboratory is interested in two aspects of heart disease. One is we're interested in understanding how the heart develops. The other area that we're interested in is using stem cells as a source for regeneration of the damaged heart. Soon after a heart attack, a large part of the muscle in the heart dies and it's replaced by scar. Unfortunately, the heart does not have the ability to regenerate itself. What we're interested in is using stem cells and trying to convert these stem cells to cardiac cells, to heart cells, and transplanting those cells back in the heart in the hope of repopulating the damaged tissue or the scar that has already formed, so the patients can have the pumping ability of the heart to have a normal life.
We're discussing about the exosome and isolating exosome from different cell types.
The life in the lab, for me, it's one of the most joyous part of my professional life. The ability to interact with students, with graduate students, with postdoctoral fellows, it's just very, very joyful to me. My interactions with them, teaching them, in return, they always teach me as well. My professional life has integrated into my personal life. We have parties at my house every once in a while. Everyone in the lab comes. We have become friends with their families as well. We do work in the lab every day. We try to make incremental improvements. The big picture is for us to contribute to the scientific work that ultimately has the goal of treating heart disease. I think young people should pursue whatever their dreams are. And if the dream includes becoming a scientist, they should not be dissuaded just by some of the stereotypes about scientists. The laboratory work that we do is exciting. We're not isolated. It's a very friendly environment, and it's an exciting environment because we're making discoveries every day.